Everyone, pay attention, everyone. If you have this, please let me know. If you have this worksheet. Do you all have the worksheet? Excellent. Excellent. So we are going to have a very, very interesting class today and go through the greetings. Go through the greetings and tell me what have you noticed? What did you notice? Under the heading greeting, what have you noticed? You let me know. Whoever has noticed something different will let me know. You raise your hand and let me know. Let me see how observant you are. Okay? We have to be really observant. So let me check. What about the other classes? I can only see the screen of Padma Bhushan. Okay. Camera control, Padma Shri. Padma Shri. Very good. I think so. The focal, it is little, your camera is little out of focus. You'll have to kind of like, maintain a little more focus. Okay. So today, what have you noticed? Have you observed something different? Under the greetings, there is something written. I can't see the screen of Pulitzer. I can only see Padma Bhushan, Nobel, Padma Shri, and Magsaysay. And now Shaurya Chakra. Shaurya Chakra. I want your camera control. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
I have. Please take.
What?
Take camera control of PC section.
Of PC. PC is
Paramveer Chakra.
Paramveer Chakra. Thank you. Sometimes it gets a little confusing with the initials. Okay, thank you. Here we go. Oscar. Thank you, Oscar. Yes. So now we can begin. I think so. All the sections are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think so. 7, probably one more will join. So here we have this sheet, and you must have seen at the top there is the title Greetings. Under greetings, you have different names. What are these? Like hello, hola, namaste, bonjour, adab, ni hao, and privyet. Kya hai ye? Anyone will tell me? Very simple. I'm sure you can make a guess. Anyone from Shaurya Chakra? Guess? Any guess? Yes, I can see a hand raised. Aja, Aja. The boy on my right. Yes, he was the first one to raise his hand. So Aja, come. The boy sitting on the third bench, third or fourth, by the wall. Yes. So what do you, tell me what these words are.
The way of greeting others.
Very good. This is the way of greeting. I want one more answer from you. So, okay, they are different ways of greeting, but are they from the same language or different languages?
Ma'am, different.
Very good. Can you tell me the first one from which language? We use it in English. Can you tell me the second one?
Also English.
Hola. Hola, it is Hola, but it says hola. Okay, thank you, beta. Very good. Shaurya Chakra, there is another boy who just stood up. Aajo ba. What is the second one? And you can write down. See, this is like from different languages. Yes. Ola.
Not from Italy.
Neighbor. Italy ka neighbor. I'll make you guess. यहाँ पे bullfights होती हैं. They have bullfights. Spain. Very good. It is Spain. Okay. So neighbor of Italy, Spain. This is from Spanish. This is the Spanish way of greeting. Padma Shri, I request you people to sit down, beta. I don't know why there is so much movement in the class. Yes. I really don't understand. Very bad. Okay. You are distracting I don't know, everybody in the class. Max is saying, I want your camera control. I don't know what happened. Okay, so second one is a Spanish way of greeting. The most common greeting, Spanish greeting, hola. They don't say hola, they say hola. Now see, in different languages, they pronounce it in a different manner. And in Spanish, H is normally silent, so it is like hola. Okay. Namaste. From which language? Namaste. Okay, Oscar. Middle row, first bench. Aajao. Jaldi se aajao.
Hindi.
Hindi. Very good. This is our very own Hindi. Okay. So this is our very own Hindi. The most common way of greeting is namaste. Next is bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, Shaurya Chakra. Okay, आजा बेटा जो आगे आगे खड़ा है फटाफट आओ.
Ma'am, French.
Very good. It is French. Okay. They say bon appetit. Bon means good. Bon in French means good. So when they say bonjour, it means good day. Okay. Yes. Adab. Adab. Who says adab? Okay. Anyone from Paramveer Chakra? Any child? Have you heard the word adab? Okay, I can see from Padma Shri. I can see a hand raised. Aja beta, last bench on my yes. Adab is from which language? You can write down and you will know these new words also. Okay?
Muslim. I'm Muslim.
Yeah, Muslim people use it, but this comes from the language Urdu. Okay, which is spoken in India also, and it is spoken in Pakistan. And I don't know myself, and I didn't do any research on it, but I think so it has some connection with the Persian language also. Okay, because Urdu is a mix of Hindi and Persian. Okay, so probably now. Ni hao. Ni hao. Are not so friendly neighbors. Are not so friendly neighbors. Okay? We are friendly, but not so friendly. Okay, who will say? Max say anyone? Ni hao. Any guesses? Ni hao. Shaurya Chakra. Okay, on my left, that boy who's standing. Aajao. The boy who stood on my left. Yes. Shaurya, aajo beta.
China.
Yes, Chinese. See, I'm asking you which language. So you have to tell me the name of the language. Chinese. You know, Chinese people speak, उनकी जो language है उसको Cantonese बोलते हैं. Okay. The most spoken language in the world is Cantonese. Can you believe? And second number is Bengali. The most spoken language in the world. Not English. English, I think so, comes on the 5th number. The first is Cantonese, that is Chinese, and second is Bengali. Next. Privyat. Privyat. मेरी pronunciation से सोचो कि कौन सी language होगी. It's a very big country. The biggest country in the world. Privyat. Okay, अब सबको आ गया. Okay. Pulitzer. Okay. On my right, third bench, there are two girls. One of you can come. Yes, one can come. Privyat. The biggest, largest country in the world. Very good. And very good. It is Russia. Okay, Russia. We don't say Russia. We say Russia. Okay. So Russian, when you will meet any Russian people, I met, like, I really worked with Russian people a lot. So it's like, they never say Russia, they say Russia. And in English, it is Russia, not Russia. Okay. So very good. Privyat is the way Russians, they will greet you. Okay. So we have learned so many words for different languages. You can use amongst yourself sometimes just for fun. Okay. Language is a lot of fun. So this can be used sometimes. Now, see, there are informal matlab casual, aram se, like, when you're talking to your brother, your sister, your cousin, your friend, that is informal conversation. Okay. When you're talking to your family, okay, informal, mom, dad ke saath bhi informal conversation. Then these are the kind of words you use when you meet them. Okay. When you meet your friends, when you meet your cousins, when you meet someone like, even your sibling after some time or something, you use these words. And the other side, formal. Formal is like, which has to be a prim, proper thing. Okay. And this is for people who are older to you, people in business scenes, like, whenever people have business meetings and greetings happen this way. When you meet your teachers, your principal, you meet your, like, other people who are in authority, you will always use these kind of words. Okay. And they can be used in different ways at different times. Same things cannot be used all the time. Okay. Except for hello. Hello can be used all the time, but you want to have some variety in your language. And, like, well-spoken people have a huge vocabulary. So this. Now, I want from each house, I will call out 3 children who will come and read out the 3 first. I'll start with Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan, I want 3 children out with the sheets. 3 children. Okay, I can see on my left, a boy stood up. Ajao. There is a boy. Yes, there is a boy who raised his hand. Jo aage baitha hua hai. And there is a girl in the middle row, in the middle. Ajao. 3 children. Come. Yes. You will speak one each. Okay, you will speak one each. The first one, the second one will say the first word, second word, third. This is basically pronunciation, how you say this word. Okay. Yes, because they are very common, but yes. Yes. It's hey. Like, when you meet someone, very nice. It's like you will talk to someone, you're like, hey, how are you? Okay, when you meet your friend. Yes. Next is very common. Next is, yes, Padma Bhushan. What happened? The next one. Read out the next one.
Hello.
Okay, you said hello. It's hello. Okay, hello nahi hai. It's not hello. So it's hello. Then hi. Hi. When you meet your friends. Very nice. Okay, all 3 of you can go. Now I want 3 from Nobel. 3 children from Nobel. Nobel, who will come? Nobody wants to come out? That's not good. Okay. Decide who wants to come out because you have to. Oscar, 3 children I want. Okay, the girl sitting on the first bench, she wants to come out. And I can see the girl at there's a girl who's sitting first bench, aa jao. Second bench and third bench. Ek ladki, one girl each. Please come out. Please come out. But and be little quick. What is there to take a decision so long? Okay. Why are you waiting? And what are you waiting for? I want you to speak with expression. From the fourth one. Chalo bolo.
Hey,
See, you are like very soft, like, hey there, hey there. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes.
what's up?
What's up? What's? Pura S will be included with what? What's? What's? Okay. Yes. Next.
What's happening?
What's happening? Very good. Thank you. You can go. Now I want 3 children from Maxisel. Okay. Or we have already. What happened here, Oscar? Why is your camera again and again moving? Okay. So we can have from Pulitzer. 3 children from Pulitzer. Aja fatafat. 3 children from Pulitzer. Please come. Pulitzer, 3 children. Okay. You will start with the next 3. Bolo bache, don't wait for so long. Yeah, would you repeat? Could you repeat, bacha?
Repeat karo pehle.
What's new? What's new? Okay. And next is?
How are you doing?
Very good. How are you doing? With expression. Next one is?
How is it going?
How's it going? How's? Now see, because it has an apostrophe, ये पूरा एक में ही बोलना है आपने. How's it going? How's it going? Thank you, children. Okay, anyone from Oscar? 3 children from Oscar, Raja. Please come. Nobody wants to come? Okay, don't come. Paramir Chakra, 3 children, come out. Ajo. 3 children. Next, start saying.
What's like?
How's life? How's life? Very good. Next.
How is life? How is life treating you?
How is life treating you? How is life treating you? Very good. Next.
Long time no see.
Very nice. That was a good one. Good, good. Then it's been a while. It's been a. Now nobody will say been because been is not a word in English. We say been. Okay. It's been a while. It's been a while. Okay. Now, suitable for family, friends, and casual conversations. So this is, now we come to the formal. Which house has not come out yet? Which classroom has not come to read out? Padma Bhushan, 3 children, आ जाओ. Any 3 children, आ जाओ. जो नहीं आ रहे बैठने दो. आपको आने आप आ जाओ. Please come. 3 children I want. Oh, what happened to the boys of this classroom? You can't read one statement? Okay. Yes, the first one is? Hello. Now this hello and the informal hello is like hello. This hello is going to be different because it is formal. Hello, hello. Like, you're meeting someone for the first time or you're meeting someone, your senior. You can't say hello, like, you're meeting for some business purpose. That will not be the way. So this hello will be different. Okay. Can you tell me how this hello is going to be? Hello. Okay, that's it. Yes. Next one. Next one. Read out the next one. Yes. Hello, Ria. Hello, Raman. Okay. So this is again like taking somebody's name. Okay. Now who will come? Anyone from Padma Shri wants to come out? आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. जिनको भी आना है सारे आ जाओ. And one by one start reading. Okay. आ जाओ, सब आ जाओ. जिनको आना है. Line में. Okay. हाँ बोलो.
How are you?
How are you? Very good. Next one. Next one.
Good morning.
Good morning. Next one.
Good afternoon.
Very good. Next one.
Good evening.
Very nice. Next one.
Good evening.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Next one.
How are you doing?
Hello. How do you do? Hello. How do you do? Okay. So all are done from this class? All are okay. Okay. Next one.
Pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to meet you. Very good. Next one.
Good day.
Very good. Next one.
Night.
Hello. I am. Introduce yourself. Okay. Next one. It's an honor to meet you. Yes. It's an honor to meet you. And last one is. It's nice to meet you. So see again, this is like something very important and different occasions and different scenarios. Your tone and the choice of greeting can change. It should and it will. Okay. That is how the good English speakers, they say. That is why you have got this. Now, keep this with you and we will use it in this. Okay. You don't have to refer to this. This is all your logical thinking. Okay. So English is not only about stories on, this is all your logical thinking, how you will think and answer the question. Easy, but it does need some kind of logic. So start. Start. You have 4 or 5 minutes to do this and then we can work on it. Okay. Okay, the first one. The first one. Good afternoon, sir. How may I assist you? What do you think? It's a formal way of greeting or informal? Okay. Paramir Chakra, first, middle row, first bench. Aja. Aja. Good afternoon, sir. How may I assist you? That means, how may I help you?
Informal.
This is, bolo beta.
Informal. Informal.
Formal. This is formal. And I will once again give more clarity. Informal is something जो relaxed or casual होता है. Okay, which you can talk with your friends and others. Like उसमें कोई there is no way it is strict or you have to take care of certain rules or regulations. You can talk like nicely. जैसे आप घर में बात कर रहे हो friends के साथ. But formal is in the scene changes. You're talking to your teacher. Okay, you're talking to your principal. You're talking to an educated, person, someone in authority, a police officer. You just can't talk anything. Okay, you need to abide by certain rules and regulations. So here you're talking to a doctor. You're talking you have a competition. You're talking to the judges. So that is formal. Okay, and when you see good afternoon, sir, it's a very formal way of addressing someone. Okay, hey, what's up? किसको बोल सकते हैं? Oscar. Oscar, middle row, third bench. I can see a girl raising hand. आ जाओ, don't tell. Hey, what's up?
Formal.
This is? Could you repeat the answer?
Informal.
Very good. This is informal. You're talking to your friend or a cousin. Hey, what's up? Like, you will not tell this to your teacher or your principal or a police officer or a judge or someone you don't know. You're met for the first time. See you later, buddy. Buddy means friend. Buddy means friend. Padma Bhushan, on my left, a boy has raised his hand. Ajo. See you later, buddy.
I'm informal.
Very good. Informal. Buddy का मतलब ही friend होता है. So see ya later. Okay. It was a pleasure meeting you. Have a great day. It was a pleasure meeting you. Shaurya Chakra. I can see last bench में दो लड़के हैं. दोनों आ जाओ. One will tell me the fourth one and one will tell me the fifth one. Okay. It was a pleasure meeting you. Have a great day.
Formal.
Very good. Formal. Okay. You're telling someone it was pleasure meeting you. That means you met that person either for the first time or for some a formal reason. Okay. So formal greetings are used with family and friends. It is formal. Formal greetings are used with business people. You met someone, your seniors, your teachers, your doctor. Informal language is more relaxed and casual. Informal language is more relaxed. Padma Shri. Okay. Okay, I can see everybody has raised hand. I'm very happy. Okay, except for Max they are feeling lazy today. Yes, Max are you lazy? Are you feeling lazy, you guys? Because you're not raising your hand. I want all of you to raise your hands. Okay, so here we are, Padma Shri. Okay. इसको बुलाओ सारी क्लास ने हाथ ऊपर किया हुआ. Okay, on my right, the boy who's sitting there on the fourth bench, third or fourth bench. आज दोनों आ जाओ. Both of you can come. Yes, the boy who stood up. Sorry. Informal language is more relaxed and casual. Oh, this is true or false? This is better. This is true. True. Okay? True. It's not true, like it is true. So please listen to the pronunciation. Emails to your boss should use formal greetings. Email to your boss should be. It is for false. This is true, beta. Boss hai boss. And we are writing an email, it has to have a formal. Good afternoon, sir. We can't say, hey, buddy. We can't say, how are you? But we have to respectfully, we have to convey something. Okay. So I'm sure you got all these right. Let's move to the next part. Okay. Here we come back. Okay. Which greeting is best for a formal business meeting? We have a business meeting. Paramveer Chakra, this boy on the first bench on my right. Please, Aja. Yes, please come.
I'm nice to meet you.
Very good. Which greeting is best for a business meeting? Nice to meet you. Okay. Hi there is again for a friend. How's it going is again for a friend or casual, your brother, sister, or family members. Nice to meet you. Like, formal, respectfully. If you meet someone at night, you can greet them by saying what? Raat ko mil rahe ho? Okay. Keep this in mind. Paramveer Chakra, that boy on my left, he's been waiting for it. On my left, yes. Aajo, aajo, aajo. Yes. If you meet someone at night, you can greet them by saying, I could not hear you, Bache. Could you repeat? Bolo, beta. Good. I can't hear you. I'm sorry, beta. I can't hear you. Give one more try, otherwise I'll have to call somebody else. I don't know what's wrong. Good what? What are you saying? Good. Good night, good evening, good night, sleep tight. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, it is going to be good evening. Okay. You will at wonder you meeting at night. So jitna marzi late night tum kisi ko milo, you will not say good. Greeting will not be good night. Good night greeting happens only when you leave. जब तुम जा रहे हो अपने घर, you are parting. अब अपने अपने घर जा रहे हो, you are parting ways. That is the time you will say good night. Okay. I had a good, enjoyed the meeting, enjoyed our time together. Good night. But when अगर आप रात को 9 बजे भी मिल रहे हो, you will say good evening. 9:30 भी मिल रहे हो, good evening. 11 बजे भी मिल रहे हो, good evening. You will not greet good night. Okay, this you have to remember. So good evening. How will you greet a friend when meeting for coffee? You have decided to meet for coffee. Okay. Okay. Shaurya Chakra, middle row, that boy who's standing, Aja. And in Shaurya Chakra, there is a boy with a red folder. Aap bhi aa jao. With a red folder. Dono aa jao. Yes. How will you greet a friend when you meet for coffee?
Third option, wanna coffee?
What will you? No, it won't be. It will be good to see you. And nice to meet you. Okay. So when you meet someone for coffee, when you go there, it will be like good to see you. It's nice, so you will greet like this. Good to see you. But when you leave, okay, you will say nice. Okay. It was nice meeting you. You will change the wordings. You will say it was nice meeting you. But when you will see the person in the coffee shop, it will be good to see you. Nice. Good to see you. Okay. And this you are meeting for coffee, so you don't have to ask for a call. What would you say if you meet a friend after a long time? That boy with a red folder, he can say.
Hi, long time not seen.
Yes. Hi. See, there is a pause. Hi. Pause. Long time no see. Okay. Long time no see. Hi. And then there is a pause. This is like exciting. Hi. And then there is like a long time no see. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Here. Okay, so here we are with the last part of the quiz. Business associates often greet one another with. Associates means people who do business together. Okay, so they are associated with each other because of business. Okay, so they are called business associates. Otherwise, koi lena dena nahi hai, but because of business, they are associated with each other. Okay, the whole class wants to come now. Okay, Paramveer Chakra. Middle row, both the girls on the third bench. Aja. Both the girls. Aja, aja. Okay, one on the second bench and one on the third bench. Aja. Paramveer Chakra, you can also come, the girl who stood up. Aja, bache, aja. Okay. What will you do? This is purely business. Purely a business deal. How will you meet someone? You will? You will shake hand. Yes. You only hug people whom you know very well. High five you do with your friends. This is like, when you put your hands together. This is like a high five and a handshake. All formal things. People shake hands. Yes. What are you doing if you say, I would like you to meet our accountant, Hugo? I would like you to meet our accountant, Hugo. Yes, the other child who came, will you tell me what you're doing? What are you doing? That girl who came out from Paramveer Chakra, second bench. What are you doing? Are you introducing Hugo? Are you meeting Hugo? Or are you greeting Hugo? What are you doing? You are? I don't think so. So, Padma Shri, there is a boy who has raised his hand for a long time. Uska haath bhi dukh gaya hoga. Okay, on my left, second last bed. Okay, aap aa jao, the boy who stood up. Aa jao. Padma Shri, the boy who stood up on my left. Aa jao. Yes. So, what are you doing? If you say, I would like you to meet our accountant Hugo. I want you to meet our accountant Hugo. What are you doing? You are introducing. You are introducing Hugo. Okay? अगर आप बोलते हैं hello, how are you? That would have been greeting Hugo. Or if you would have like shaken hands, then it would have been like meeting Hugo. But here you are telling somebody else, I would like you to meet our accountant. So you are introducing Hugo to the third person. Okay, so this is like introducing. What will you say after being introduced to someone for the first time? First time. Oscar, that boy, first bench boy. Ajo, ajo. Got it. What will you say after being introduced to someone for the first time?
Nice to meet you.
Very good. This is the first time you meet. You can't say anything else. It was really nice to meet you. Yes. And the last one. Hi, I'm Nikita, but you can call me Nikki. What's Nikki doing? What is she doing? Okay, Padma Shri. Padma Shri, the boy on my right, first bench. Aja.
I'm introducing herself.
Very good. She's introducing herself. So now today you have got so many new ways of saying hello. In both the cases, formal, informal. Start using with your friends. Every day a new greeting. Okay? And with your teachers and others, formal way. One day you can say good morning, ma'am. One day you can say something else, like, every day you can. And then I think so you should make it to practice this. You should start using these statements every day in the classroom with your friends, with your teachers. And that's how things will work out. So really, it was a good class. I liked it, and I'm sure you loved it too. Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye. Have a good day.